Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we have finally made it to day 31. For the last 31 days, I've been sharing my journey with you as I go through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. A lot of you have been joining me, and so for all of you that have been joining me, we made it. We are here. We've made it through the baby steps. All right, so now that we're here at the end of the 31 baby steps, what does that mean? It means that we are flying. Does it mean that we are perfect? Absolutely not. We are not aiming for perfection. We are looking for progress. We want to keep being better today than we were yesterday, okay? Progress, not perfection. All right, so what we have done so far is we have established a morning routine, we've established an evening routine, and for those of us that decided to work on an afternoon routine, we have done that. We have made lists, we have all of our steps that we're doing for our routines, and we're just going to keep working on them. So now that we've gotten to this point, it doesn't mean we need to get bogged down with all of the other things that are involved in the Flylady system. We want to just keep working on our routines so that we're super comfortable with them and they are coming super easy. Do not head to the Flylady's website and go ahead and dive headfirst into the weekly home blessing hour and the basic weekly plan and all of zone cleaning. We're not going to do that. We're going to keep working on our routines until we get them really, really well. Now, if you have clutter in your home, I do want you to make sure that every day you're continuing to work on your clutter, because once you get rid of the clutter and stay on top of your routines, you're really going to start noticing a change, okay? So if you've got clutter, please make that a priority. Keep working on it. I'm going to talk to you guys about a lot of things in this video because I kind of want to wrap things up. But before I do that, I'm going to read our morning routine, our afternoon, and our evening routine. And I'm actually going to read it straight from the Flylady's website because it really encompasses everything. The routines that I wrote down in my control journal, I didn't write down every single one of these things. I kind of wrote down the ones that meant the most to me. I'm going to read these off of the website. It's going to be a really great recap for us to go over and just remember all the things that we've done this month, okay? So the reason I'm looking down is because I'm looking at it on my phone. All right, so for our morning routine, we're going to get up and make our bed. We're going to get dressed to shoes every day. That includes face and hair. We're going to swish and swipe our bathroom. We're going to eat breakfast, drink water, take medication, vitamins, whatever it is you need to do. We're going to recognize negative voices and change them. We're going to reboot our laundry or start a load of laundry. We're going to think about what's for dinner. We're going to put out a hotspot for 2 minutes. We're going to do a 5-minute room rescue. Just pick a room, the worst room in your house, set your timer and go. We're going to spend 15 minutes decluttering each day. You can't organize clutter. We're going to look at our control journal and our post-it notes. If you still got post-it notes up, that's totally fine. And then once you have done that, it's okay to watch a YouTube video or go to the Flylady's website and reward yourself by, watching one of her videos or looking things up on there, and that's going to be your reward. All right, so for our afternoon routine, we're going to eat lunch and drink water. We're going to take a few minutes to relax. We talked about this the other day. It's important to still take some time for us. We're going to start dinner and remember our side dishes, okay? All right, so this is our evening or our before bed routine, whatever you want to call it. We're going to keep our sink shining. That includes making sure that we start the dishwasher each night before we go to bed. We're going to lay out our clothes for tomorrow. We're going to put in a load of laundry or put away a load of laundry. That's what I do. We're going to check our calendar for tomorrow's dinner. So that way we can pull it out of the freezer. Remember, we've got our control journal and our calendar, and we're going to use these things, okay? We're going to drink water, take any kind of medications or supplements that you take at night. We're going to look at our control journal, like I just said, and our checklist. When it's time for bed, we're going to go to bed and we're going to consider ourselves tucked in. All right, guys, I am super excited to be to this point. It feels really good to have completed the 31 baby steps. I personally am feeling really good about my routines. My routines are definitely becoming very routine. I'm having to think about things a lot less and they're just kind of happening, which is a good thing. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't want you guys to get bogged down and feel like now that you've done the baby steps that it's time to just jump head first into all of the other things. Just keep working on your routines, and then we are gradually going to incorporate some of these other things. The Flylady system has been so much more than just a cleaning system for me, and that's what I really like about it. Yes, we're learning how to create routines, we're learning how to stay on top of our home, we're learning how to do things in a more orderly fashion, but it's really about so much more than that. It's about taking care of ourselves. It's about learning to prioritize and not get bogged down in the everyday. And the reason I like it so much is because it really goes along with the core values that I have here at Carry Grace. I'm going to leave my video linked down below. It's titled Why Carry Grace. In that video, if you've never watched it, I talk about what Carry Grace is all about, how it came to be. And like I said, the Flylady system really kind of goes along with that, which is why I'm going to continue on with the Flylady system. I'm not stopping at the 31 baby steps. I've noticed a lot of changes in me. They've been good changes, and I'm excited about them. So, moving forward, I will continue doing Flylady videos. Now, they are not going to be coming out daily like these 31 baby steps did. There's no way I could keep up that pace. I typically post videos 2, sometimes occasionally 3 times a week. I'm planning to go back to that. All of my videos will not be Flylady related, but a lot of them will be. I've got some fall related videos coming out. I'm going to be sharing examples of how you can create a control journal in a lot of different types of planners and binders and things like that. So be on the lookout for those if those are things that you like. Planners are just something that I really enjoy, and I've got some ideas on how you can use a lot of different things to really suit you and your personality and things that you may already have at home to create them in. Once I start getting into the weekly home blessing hour and the weekly basic plan and zone cleaning, I will be sharing those things with you as well. But like I said, those videos will not be coming out at the same rapid fire pace that the 31 baby steps videos came out at. Cleaning videos are going to stick around. I enjoy doing cleaning videos, but now my cleaning videos are definitely going to be more centered around the Flylady cleaning system. I've also considered doing videos as some type of way to encourage you each week. So what I would like to know from you guys is what kind of videos you would like to see. As I start getting into some of the other areas of the Flylady system, what can I do to encourage you? Would you like to see maybe a weekly video at the beginning of the week where I kind of go into what we've got coming up for the week? Would you like to see maybe a video at the end of the week where you can see what I did? I definitely want to share some routine type videos with you where I'm going through the routines and sharing them with you. So if there's anything specific that you would really like to see, please let me know down below. If there is anything that you would like to see become a regular video, please let me know that as well, because I'm here to share my journey. But because it's been so helpful for me, I also want to be able to encourage you wherever you're at in your Flylady journey. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up because I feel like I'm starting to just kind of ramble. The 31 baby steps have been a blessing to me. I'm very excited that I went through them. Like I said, I've learned a lot. I've noticed some changes, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited to keep moving forward and to continue just making things better. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me every day for 31 days. I hope you've enjoyed this series. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys soon.